Hey there, language lovers! Welcome to my channel, Let's Learn in English, your go-to channel for mastering English that will spice up your life and impress everyone. Let's get started!
First grade science.
Make and position a bird feeder. Today, we are going to make a bird feeder. Why do you think we need a bird feeder?
To feed the birds.
That's right! Feeding birds helps them find food easily. Let's start by gathering our materials. What materials do we need?
We need a plastic bottle, string, bird seed, and scissors.
Good! Now we will cut holes in the plastic bottle. Can someone help hold the bottle while I cut?
I can help.
Thank you! After cutting the holes, we'll fill the bottle with birdseed. Where should we hang our bird feeder?
We should hang it on a tree where we can see it from our classroom window.
Perfect! Hanging it on a tree makes it easy for birds to visit. Now, let's all go outside and hang up our bird feeder. Once we've hung up the bird feeder, what should we do next?
We should watch to see which birds come to eat.
That's a great idea. Observing the birds can help us learn which types like our bird feeder. What else can we do to make sure more birds come?
Maybe we can put different types of seeds to see what they like best.
That's an excellent suggestion. We can try different seeds next time. For now, let's make sure our bird feeder is safe from cats and other predators. How can we do that?
We can place it higher in the tree and away from places where cats can jump.
Perfect! Making it hard for predators to reach will help keep the birds safe. Remember to keep the area clean and refill the feeder regularly. Why is it important to keep the area clean?
To keep the birds healthy and not let germs spread.
Key words and phrases.
1. Bird feeder. We made a bird feeder in class today. 2. Materials. We collected all the materials needed for the project. 3. Plastic bottle. We recycled a plastic bottle to make our bird feeder. 4. String. We used a string to hang the bird feeder. 5. Bird seed. We filled the bird feeder with bird seed. 6. Scissors. Be careful when using scissors. 7. Cut holes. We cut holes in the bottle to allow birds to access the food. 8. Hang. We hang our coats in the closet. 9. Trees. The tree in our schoolyard is very old. 10. Visit. Many birds visit our bird feeder every day. 11. Observe. We observe the sky to see the stars at night. 12. Types. There are many types of books in our library. 13. Different seeds. We planted different seeds in our garden. 14. Safe. The playground is safe for all children. 15. Predators. Predators hunt other animals for food. 16. Higher. We hung the picture higher on the wall. 17. Clean. We keep our classroom clean and tidy. 18. Refill. Please refill the water bottle when it is empty. 19. Germs. Washing hands can help prevent the spread of germs. Stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and join our journey to speak English like a native. Let's make learning science in English easy and fun.